Good morning students, myself Prashant. Today I have come here with another new topic, that is thermodynamics. Some basic concepts of thermodynamics we are going to study in this session. Right. So let us start our session with the definition of thermodynamics. Okay, Thermodynamics is a branch of physical science which deals with various forms of energy, and their interconversion Okay, what is thermodynamics? Thermodynamics is a branch of physical science which deals with the various forms of energy and their interconversion. Right. So before going to study the laws of thermodynamics, it is very important to learn some basic terms which oftenly we use in thermodynamics chapter. Right. So the first term that we often use in thermodynamics chapter is system. Right. Okay, what is system? A system is definite portion of universe under observation is called a system. What is system? System is a definite portion of universe which is under our observation is called system. Right. Or else we can also define system as the specific portion or a definite portion of universe on which the effect of some properties like temperature or pressure can be studied. Did you understand? Definite portion of universe on which some properties like temperature or pressure can be studied is called system, or definite portion of universe which is under our observation is also called as system. Okay, let me give an example. Let me take a container in which a gas is present. Okay, this is the gas present in a container. So if you are going to study this gas, which means this gas is under our observation, so this gas is said to be a system. Did you understand? This gas is said to be a system because we are going to study this gas, or we are going to study the effect of some properties like temperature, pressure on this gas, which means this gas is under our observation, so this gas is said to be system. Did you understand? So this is one of the best examples for system. Okay, let me take another example. For example, this room is filled with gas. If you are going to study this gas, which means this gas is under our observation, so this is our system. Right. Okay, second one is surroundings. Okay, excluding system, the remaining portion of the universe is called surrounding. Right. What is surrounding? Excluding system, the remaining portion is called surroundings. For example, okay, as I said just now, this gas is under our observation, so this gas is said to be our system. Right. So excluding this gas, the remaining part of the universe is surrounding. So this is our surrounding. Okay, what is surroundings? The excluding system, the remaining portion of the universe is called surroundings, right? And the third one, another term we oftenly use in the thermodynamics chapter is boundary. Boundary. See, boundary is one which separates system from surroundings. System from surroundings. Right? What is boundary? Boundary is one which separates system from surroundings is called boundary. Right? For example, let us take a bucket in which some water is present. Water is present, right? Okay, so the layer which separates water from rest of the system. Did you understand? The layer which separates system from remaining part of the universe is called boundary. So this is our boundary, right? So boundary is nothing but an imaginary surface which separates system from surrounding, right? Okay, this is about system, surroundings and boundary. Now let us see what are the different types of systems. Okay, next topic is types of system. So there are different types of systems. In them, the first one is homogeneous system. Okay, what is homogeneous system? A system has same chemical composition, throughout. A system which has same chemical composition throughout is called homogeneous system. For example, mixture of two or more gases. Mixture of two or more gases. For example, mixture of oxygen and carbon dioxide. See, we cannot see the oxygen separately or carbon dioxide separately because there is a uniform composition throughout, and such system is said to be homogeneous system. And one more example is pure single liquid or solid. A pure single liquid or a pure single solid is also comes under homogeneous system. Okay, did you understand what is homogeneous system? A system which has same chemical composition throughout is said to be homogeneous system. And the next one is heterogeneous system. Heterogeneous system. Okay, what is heterogeneous system? Heterogeneous system is nothing but a system which has two or more phases which are separated by a definite boundary. Okay, did you understand what is heterogeneous system? Heterogeneous system is nothing but a system which has two or more phases which are separated by a definite boundary. For example, two immiscible liquids. For example, oil and water. So oil and water, they get separated by a definite boundary. So such a system is called heterogeneous system, right? Open system. system. Okay, open system is a system that can exchange both matter as well as energy. Is said to be open system. Okay, what is open system? A system that can exchange both matter as well as energy is called open system. I'll give you one best example for this. Tea held in a cup. Right. For example, say, okay, this is a teacup plus some tea, right? Hot tea. So in this case, it is said to be an open system because this system can exchange matter in the form of vapors, and the heat energy can also exchange through the walls of this cup with the surroundings, right? A system that can exchange both matter as well as energy with the surroundings is said to be an open system. So the best example, tea or coffee, the hot coffee held in a cup, right? So in this case, this system can exchange both matter in the form of vapors and also heat energy through the walls of this cup with the surroundings, and it is said to be an open system. Next, fourth one is closed system. Right. So what is closed system? A system that can exchange only energy but not matter with the surroundings is said to be a closed system. What is closed system? A system that can exchange only energy but not matter with the surroundings. For example, so this is a hot water in a container which is closed with a lid. In this case, the vapors cannot goes into the surroundings. The vapors cannot escape from the container, but heat energy can be exchanged. Through the walls of the container with the surroundings, and such a system is called closed system. Did you understand? The system which can exchange only energy but not matter with the surroundings is called closed system, right? Last one is isolated system. Okay, what is isolated system? A system which neither exchange heat nor matter with the surroundings is called isolated system, which means in this special case, in this system, okay, last one is isolated system. An isolated system is a system which neither exchange heat nor matter with the surroundings is called isolated system. Okay, in this system, heat energy as well as matter does not exchange with the surroundings, right? For example, coffee in a thermos flask, right? A hot coffee in a thermos flask. As you know, the walls of thermos flask are insulated or well insulated so that neither heat energy nor matter exchange with the surroundings, right? So coffee in a thermos flask is one of the best examples for isolated system. This isolated system is also known as insulated system. Is also known as insulated system. Right? Okay, these are some basic terms which we often use in thermodynamics chapter, and in order to understand the laws of thermodynamics, it is very important to learn all these terms.